How to share iPhone internet connection with PC via USB cable. If you're looking to share your iPhone's internet connection with your PC, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'll show you how to share your iPhone's connection with via USB cable. It's a simple process and perfect for when you don't have Wi-Fi but need a reliable internet connection. So let's get started. First, grab your USB cable and connect your iPhone to your PC. Make sure the cable is working properly and securely connected to both devices. Next, on your phone, go to Settings. Scroll down, then tap on Personal Hotspot. If you don't see Personal Hotspot, simply tap on Cellular first. Now then you should see the option for personal hotspot. Now toggle the switch to turn on personal hotspot. If asked, tap allow others to join. If you haven't already, you'll need to install iTunes on your PC as it's required for this to work. Go to the official website, download iTunes and install it. Once iTunes is installed, your PC should automatically detect your iPhone as a network device. If you're using Windows, go to the Network and Internet settings and select iPhone USB network option. If prompted, make sure the connection is set to use iPhone USB for internet connection. And that's it. Once everything is set up, your PC will be using your iPhone's mobile data for internet access. And that's it. That's how you share your iPhone's internet connection with your PC via USB.